Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the flicker effect in Filmora. For this I'm going to use a sample video from Filmora, dragging down to the first timeline. Now go to the media and select the option that is sample colors, and under sample colors you can use either black or white. It can be a black flicker or it can be a white flicker. So for this demonstration I'm going to use a black one. So I'm dragging down to the second timeline. Now make this option to 100% so that your timeline is spreaded to the maximum level. Okay, now from your keyboard go ahead one frame and cut, again one frame and cut. Do this several times. Okay, now delete the other portion. Now follow me. Select second one, fourth one, sixth one. In this way just have a gap from one frame to another frame. Like select this one. In this way select serially and now delete the frames. Now your flicker is ready. Now let's see how it looks. You can see that the flicker is created very smoothly. Now you can just select all the frames and adjust or place it to your desired position. In this way you can easily create flicker effect in tutorial. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I am going to make several videos on Filmora edits and that will be very much cool. And thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next one.